What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you an efficiency plug that I think I've shared before here in the past, but I wanted to reshare it again as a friendly reminder to anyone that's looking to level up and add additional services to their overall portfolio on things that you need to think about to work the most efficient way possible for you and for your team. Being efficient helps in a lot of different ways, and I have videos about that. I'm going to put one over here. If you haven't seen it, be sure to tap into that. I'm also going to leave it in the description field and at the end of this video for you to check out. It'll help you build incredible relationships in the future, and it'll explain exactly why being efficient matters. But let me talk about one little secret plug that you can do. I know I've already talked about pre-cabling out your trusses, something that we've done here at SCE for like 15 years, but I want to share another little secret that really matters and will help you be incredibly efficient if you are looking to incorporate moving head fixtures into your overall service portfolio moving forward. So when you buy a beautiful fixture just like this Chauvet Intimidator Hybrid 140 SR spot, these are great, affordable, intelligent lighting options for people that are looking to offer a very feature-rich and affordable light fixture. These fixtures are super dope. I've used them now for like, let's just say 6 or 7 years at this point. They are outstanding. But if I just took them out of the box, I plugged them in and I put them on a truss, that would set me up for a long-winded setup time and even more a long-winded breakdown time. So how could we make this more efficient as a working DJ, improving our setup and our strike times? Well, it's real simple. Rather than just using this light, securing it to the top of a truss with bungee or with whatever, you actually think about things and do things a little bit differently. One thing that we've done is we've started mounting our lights just like this to the bottom of base plates and have them actually stored in the cases like this. If you're a DJ and you're not using road cases and you're moving your lights around in the cardboard boxes, that's another thing you can't do. You have to case things. It'll keep your lights fresh. It'll keep them working properly. It'll reduce breakage, and it'll just make you look a lot more professional. The next thing is setting yourself up for success and becoming more efficient. So whether it's pre-powering your cables in your truss or it's attaching base plates, mounting your lights to your base plates and securing them in your travel road cases, those are little things that you can do to become more efficient. That little set just for breaking down 2 lights like this could save you 10-20 minutes on the setup and 10-20 minutes on the breakdown. In doing that, you can build relationships and opportunities to work more in the future with venues, because when you take a lot of time to get out of a venue, it does nothing but upset the people that are working because they just want to go home at the end of the night. And as you're breaking down your stuff, taking a long time to get out of there, it just could limit them from referring you in the future. But if you are in and out really quick, it's going to impress them and it'll allow for opportunity for them to talk about how much of a pleasure it was working with you and your group. Again, I have a whole video on this I'm going to tap into at the end of this video. I'm going to ask you to tap into, but I hope you understand this. Being efficient, attaching your base plates and mounting them to your moving lights is just one little thing that you can do to become more efficient as a working DJ in the private event space. And I hope you take that tip and implement it into your business. My name is Jason Jani. Wait for that other video. It's coming up right over here. And thank you so much for watching. P.S. If you want to get information on possibly ordering these Chauvet 140 SR fixtures, I'm going to put some links in the description field underneath this video where you can get the hookup from me on Amazon and some other places where you can not only support this channel, but you can actually get access to these lights, and they are in stock right now. And just real quick, check out some of these really cool clips from events that I've actually hosted using these Chauvet 140 SR lights. They're awesome. Awesome. Check it out.